Hello guys, it's me Ridolph, and I welcome you to this video tutorial in Java. Now in this video tutorial we will be considering how we can connect our program to the database so that we will not just limit ourselves to just some few users but extend to multiple users as well. So we need to download my SQL Workbench so that we can use that to create our database. So I'll just visit mysql.com, or you can type in dev.mysql.com/downloads so that I can download my SQL Workbench so that it will help me to create a database. So when I go there, you see there are a lot of servers over there. We have the community server, we have the cluster, which is also open source transitional database. We have the MySQL router and MySQL utility shell workbench. Now I'm going to download the workbench, so you can also read around, and if you find the workbench to be interesting, then you can go ahead and download it. So if you want to be following this tutorial very carefully, then you need to download the workbench as well. Okay, so right now the version is 5.7 for Windows now. It might be upgraded later on. So over here we have the installer and the zip file as well. So in my case, I will download the zip file so that I will go ahead and unzip that to read it. So I'll just click on download for the zip archive down there. Now when I click on download, it will take me to a login sign up page, which they want me to log in with my Oracle web account, or if I don't have any, then I'm going to sign in for a new Oracle web account. But if you don't want to do any of them, then just click no thanks, just start download. Alright, so now my download is done and I'm done downloading my workbench. So what I'll do is I'll move to my downloads folder and extract it over here. So I'll just right click and I'll go to extract here. Okay, so it will extract, and after that, so I'll just open that folder workbench and I will search for my workbench setup or exe file or whatever. So okay, I have the workbench over here. So I'll just right click and go to open, or double click on that to open, or I can also create a shortcut on the desktop. So I'll just open for now, and it's working for me now. As you can see, I have my workbench open, which I can use to create a database table, and we will be considering that later. But for now, that's it for my SQL Workbench, and we need to get another thing that will help us to connect to the database, and that is my SQL connector. So let's go again and download my SQL connector that will help us to connect to the database. So I'll just go to the browser again and type dev.mysql.com/downloads/connector. I'll just hit enter to move to this page. Now after moving to this page, I need to download the connector/j, as you can see it over there, because we are going to be writing codes in Java. So I'll just download connector/j, which is standardized database driver for Java platforms and development. So I'll go ahead and download that as well, and I'll click on that to take me to the download page for connector/j. So I'll just scroll down and get the version over there, which is 5.1.39. Now here too we have tile file type, and we also have the zip type. So I will again download the zip file. So I'll click on download over there to just download connector/j. That will help us to connect our program to database. Okay, so I'm done downloading that as well. So I'll just go to the download folder again, and I will right click on that. That's the connector, and I will extract that over here. Alright, so it's almost done extracting, and now that we are done downloading our workbench and our connector, then we are good to go to program in Java as well as connecting to the database to do a lot of things. So see you in my next tutorial for more details.